So I am fighting with my own blender. Hello! For today, I decided to test my baking skills and I am going to bake a New York cheesecake. So I'll see what's the outcome. So for our crust, we need the biscuits that we need to put it in our blender later for crushing it, and for that we need a little bit of sugar and the salt as well, and the butter, of course. So for our main cheesecake, we need the cream cheese and the eggs, sour cream, and our lemon zest. And for the balance of our ingredients, we need some lemon in it and our sugar as well. So let's go. So our biscuit is in our blender. So guys, if you have a food processor, it's way better, but of course I have to use my blender. So we have to make sure that our crackers are well blend, and there is no pieces in it, otherwise it will show it on our crumbs later when the cake is done. So I am fighting with my own blender. Isn't it fun? So baking is fun, right? Absolutely. So, okay, this is our first batch. So now that it's ready, our crumbs is ready here. We have to put in our butter. Sugar, ooh, this is so nice. We also have to put some salt, and now we're going to mix it. Evenly mixed. So it's mixed, and we're going to put it in our baking tray. So to make sure that the water cannot go in there. This is a lot of work, I know. But you will love it. When you like what you do, of course, you won't get tired of doing it. So, we also need a baking spray. So it won't stick, okay? Our small one here. And now we can put our crumbs in. Crumbs in. Well balanced. You have to press it hard. I like my cheesecake to have not so thick crust. At least not so thick, of course, because we have to level everything underneath. So on this side. So right, when you are happy over what you've done here, like you think it's enough, and if you like it thick or you like it thin, then it's up to you. And these guys are ready to our oven. So for our butter, I have to put our cream cheese in. So if you're gonna do it, make sure that all the ingredients are room temperature. So we have to put our egg, but I prefer to put the egg one by one. So first I have to crack it in a bowl, otherwise if it's not good, then you have spoiled everything. So this is good. Put in. To beat them just slow. Let's put the rest of our eggs. I put more additional eggs because since I have to make additional add up more of the ingredients, because I make more for my colleague, of course. So now the flour. You have to put the flour, just 3 spoons. Sour cream. Need to beat them again. And now the zest of the lemon, the whole lemon. If possible. Yeah, so we're good with the lemon and the juice of the lemon. It's ready. So we're going to put them now into our baking pans. Look at that. So pretty. So our butter is ready for the oven. So since we're going to bake them in a water bath, we need boiled water to go also in the oven with our cheesecake. So they are inside. Now we can pour our boiled water in. So I just want to show you how pretty our cheesecake there. Look at that. So raise your hands who want to eat them. Of course me. It's so gorgeous. The cheesecake are done. We just let them rest there. What we have to do is switch off the oven. And we let them rest there till the water can cool down for 45 minutes at least. And now we are going to plastic wrap them. And these guys goes to the fridge for 8 hours at least, or overnight, much better. So guys, when you want to eat good, you have to be patient. So this guy stays overnight, and now they are ready.